Welcome back to American Dream Mansions, the channel where we take you inside the most impressive luxury homes built with world-class design and modern craftsmanship. Today, we are exploring an extraordinary gray and golden-themed mansion that blends elegance with bold architecture in the most breathtaking way. From the drone shots down to the poolside, every part of this home is designed to deliver comfort, luxury, and a complete modern lifestyle. As the camera rises into the sky, the drone view reveals the stunning full property layout. The gray exterior gives the home a strong, powerful presence, while the golden accents shine beautifully under the bright daylight. The landscaping is clean and perfectly matched with the home's geometric structure, making the entire property stand out from every angle. The drone circles around, capturing the garage, swimming pool, terraces, walkways, and the artistic symmetry of the mansion before descending gently toward the entrance. Approaching the main entrance, the home immediately feels grand and luxurious. The gray stone steps and golden strip lighting create a warm welcome, while the tall glass panels allow natural light to pour into the interior. The front door itself feels like the entry to a five-star sanctuary, modern, elegant, and inviting. Each detail is placed intentionally to set the tone for the rest of the home. Stepping inside, the living room opens up into a beautifully designed space filled with soft gray tones, warm golden decor, and floor-to-ceiling windows that flood the room with natural light. The furniture is modern, comfortable, and arranged to create an ideal gathering space. Whether it's a calm evening at home or a weekend of entertaining family and friends, this living room delivers a peaceful yet stylish environment. The golden lighting built into the ceiling adds a luxurious glow that completes the whole vibe. Moving forward, the kitchen takes luxury to another level. The combination of gray cabinets and golden handles paired with marble countertops creates a clean, sophisticated look. The large central island provides generous workspace and enhances the overall flow of the kitchen. With high-end appliances, ambient lighting, and a perfectly organized layout, this space feels both functional and artistic. It's the kind of kitchen that inspires creativity and makes every meal feel special. Just beside the kitchen is the elegant dining area. A modern dining table sits under a stylish chandelier, surrounded by comfortable gray chairs with golden detailing. The lighting, textures, and layout come together to create the feeling of a luxury restaurant right inside your home. Whether it's a casual breakfast or a formal dinner, this space makes every moment feel elevated. The garage is another impressive highlight of this mansion. Designed like a premium car showroom, it features polished gray floors, modern lighting, and golden LED accents. There is plenty of space for multiple vehicles, smooth storage, and easy access to the rest of the home. The finish and cleanliness of the garage reflect the same attention to detail seen throughout the property. Heading into the master bedroom, the atmosphere becomes softer and more intimate. With warm lighting, a large comfortable bed, golden side lamps, and beautifully textured gray walls, this bedroom is crafted for peace and relaxation. The windows offer natural brightness during the day and a calm ambiance at night, making it the perfect retreat after a long day. The attached bathroom continues the theme of luxury with gray stone tiles, golden fixtures, a spacious glass shower, and a modern bathtub. Everything is arranged thoughtfully, giving the bathroom a spa-like feel that encourages relaxation and self-care. The materials are premium, the lighting is perfect, and the entire space feels like a private sanctuary. A few steps away is the TV lounge, a cozy, modern entertainment area designed for comfort. Soft gray seating, a large display screen, perfect lighting, and cinematic ambience make it ideal for movie nights, gaming, or simply relaxing with family. The decor blends comfort with class, creating a space that feels warm and inviting. The home also features a fully equipped gym designed with modern workout machines, gray flooring, mirrors, and golden LED strips that add energy to the space. It's the perfect place to maintain a healthy lifestyle without leaving home. The uplifting atmosphere makes each workout session enjoyable and motivating. Finally, we open up to the outdoor area where the swimming pool shines like a jewel. Surrounded by gray stone tiles and golden poolside lighting, the pool area feels calm, refreshing, and luxurious. Whether it's swimming under the sun, relaxing on the lounge chairs, or hosting evening gatherings, this outdoor space completes the mansion beautifully. This entire tour shows how modern design, luxury materials, and thoughtful planning can come together to create a home that is both functional and breathtaking. If you enjoyed this tour, make sure to like the video, subscribe to American Dream Mansions, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new luxury home showcase. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next stunning property tour.